Hey kids, let us now look at this problem on matrices of JEE Advanced Maths Paper 1. The question is, which of the following matrices is or are not the square of a matrix of 3 cross 3 order with real entries? Now, you can see that there are 4 options given and we have to select those options which are not possible if we do the square of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So to do this particular question, you will have to see that what value of their determinant is. Now, the point is, just by looking at the options, you can say that this matrix is actually possible because it is an identity matrix and we know that I square is equal to I. This means that this option C cannot be our answer and so I am going to cancel this. Now, if we look at option 1, then this matrix, so let us first find the determinant of this matrix A. Well, this determinant of A will come out to be 1 into minus 1 minus 0 into 0, that is 0. Now, if you will simplify this, this value will come out to be minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Now, the point is that the determinant of this particular matrix has come out to be minus 1 and we have just discussed that determinant of this matrix cannot be minus 1 because it is the square of a 3 cross 3 matrix with real entries. And since its determinant is negative, this option is going to be a possible option which is not a possible matrix. Similarly, if you look at this option D, then if you now find the determinant of this matrix D, you will see that you are obtaining the same result, that is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0, which upon simplification will give you 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 again. And since again here we are getting the value of the determinant as minus 1, we can say that this matrix is also not possible. So this means that A and D definitely are my possible options. Now let's talk about this matrix B. Now at the same time, if we look at this option B now, that is this matrix B, and if we try to find out its determinant value, then the determinant of this matrix B will now be equal to 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0. Upon simplification, this value will come out to be 1 into 1, that is 1. And so we can say that the determinant of this matrix B is 1. Since this determinant value is positive, we can say that there can be a matrix, or this particular value can be a matrix of, or the square of a matrix with 3 cross 3 order and real entries. Now the point is, how in our examination we will know that this is going to be a possible result. Well, the point is, if your determinant value is coming out positive, then you can observe, you can actually assume that this value can be a possible value. And now, since this value can be a possible value, I'll say that this option is also not my answer. Now, if you really want to find out that which matrix upon squaring will give you this matrix, then you can say that if I name that matrix as matrix E, then it will come out to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1. Now, if you simplify this particular matrix, you will see that the result upon squaring it will come out to be B. That is, E square will be equal to B. Since E square will be equal to B, therefore this B can also be a possible square of the matrix of order 3 cross 3 with real entries, and so the options of this particular question will be A and D.